Wow, wow. What a day. What an event. Kumbe hata Museveni anajua Ruto ni kasongo. Our sister mother. Tafadhali. Kama mna shida muache. I can use the other one. Okay. Okay. I think they're okay. They're okay now. People's Liberation Party. Oye. The call is there. Unite and liberate. People's Liberation Party. Unite and liberate. Wakenya hoye. Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki hoye. Nitakuwa mfupi sana kwa maneno. Dada yangu Martha, asante kwa mwaliko wako. Ndugu yangu Rigiji, ndugu yangu Eugene, my party leaders, it's so nice to see you, Jimmy, and good on numbers. Thank you, Mukisha. This is a citizen of the world who lives in Kenya. And my brother, Professor Kibwana, you've taught many. Thank you, Senator, for representing our brother who is away. And thank you, because you will not die in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You will not die. Therefore, you will continue to speak with the authority we have heard you speak today. Kwa niaba wenzangu wanawaipa, dada yangu Martha, mimi nataka nikuhakikishie siku wa Tamarin jana. Alisema Tamarin is supposed to issue a statement in Tamarin Hotel Mombasa. Therefore, ignore the disinformation, the panic. And today, those on the other side have reason to know that this is the beginning of a new day. Tafadhalini, tafadhalini, tafadhalini. Because it has I'll shift to the other one. I'll shift to the other one. Okay, if it happens again, Kelly, please. We are going to unite under an idea and an agenda, as our brother Jimmy has indicated. It cannot just be unity for the sake of removing an individual because of misrule. I want to assure the Lord Mayor that listening to you, and that this country is now the country of renditions, forced abductions. These people will make sure nobody abducts you from Nairobi today. It will not happen. And we, thank you. Thank you. Therefore, thank you. Asanteni. It is not going to be business as usual from today. The country is united against one person who pretends he's busy organizing and uniting Kenyans. We remind him that Kenya is united against one William Samoei Arap Ruto. And it is evident today, absolutely evident. By the way, Mother, I heard it said that if you want to make a statement, then wear purple. The statement is made not just by the new National People's Liberation Party, but Kenyans. And we are going to do the necessary important things after today. It cannot be we meet here, celebrate the rebranding of NAC Kenya. And we all started from NAC, as Professor Kibwana reminded you, when we said Kibaki Tosha in 2002. Our sister Jane Kiara, I hope you're still in the house, is going to be bigger than 2002. It will be. Because Kenyans have every reason to rise up and say no to misrule, to injustice of the type we have never seen before. Mukisha, do you know that blood gold from Darfur is cleaned in Kenya and exported to the Arab world as originating from Kenya? So our friends in Uganda, you're not alone. And we will not allow it. As of yesterday, a lot of security at the international airport, which we have managed to reclaim from Kaongo, and they are making sure that heavy security to export Sudanese gold under the rules of origin, name it Kenyan gold, when we are not producing gold. And this is inviting grave danger to us. The other generals in Sudan have vowed action. We will not allow it. We are going to be an action-oriented unity movement. And our sister mother, thank you. Thank you for starting. When I saw you go to Rigiji, I was wondering now, sasa wanaongea juu ya mlima na wanafanya nini? Kumbe it's deeper. And you even come up with a complete theme of unity, unite and liberate. We are going to escalate, by God's grace, escalate that theme. Na tutalala. I therefore want to say that from today, the country has seen unity. It cannot be the same. Our members of parliament, you stood here and held hands in solidarity. We urge you now to go to every village, go to every marketplace, and tell Kenyans the new dawn is already here. Our young brother Morara, we thank you for what you have done. You know, William Ruto gave me some names, and one of which was Mutu ya Katikati. I think I want to baptize him properly today. Alisema kule akiwa Western Kenya mambo ni matatu. Tutampa majina matatu, mawili amekubali. Jina la kwanza alikubali Zakayo. Jensi walikata mti, Zakayo akashuka. Akakubali hilo jina alipokuwa Kisii. Akakubali jina la pili Kasongo. Even sang, dance to the tune ya hiyo Kasongo. Jina la tatu sasa akubali kwamba yeye sasa ni Kaongo. Mambo matatu. Uongo mtupu. But we don't want to dwell on that at all. I want to make a very serious proposal. In order to honor the young Kenyans who died, a lot of them on the 25th of June, which I call J25. June 25, if it meets with the approval of the young Kenyans, the Gen Zs, we will, Mother and our colleagues here, declare, because that is the true liberation day for purposes of fighting injustice and saying no to abductions and saying no to stealing of our resources and saying no to impoverishing our people. We will declare June 25th a public holiday. That is a proposal. And I can't wait to see, because you cannot wish that away. Our young people are still angry, but they have become the inspiration to the world. University students in Bangladesh took it up and threw out Sheikh Hasina. She had to flee to India. I had occasion to address a master's class in Uppsala University in Sweden. And they wanted to know, what is this miracle that has happened in Kenya about young Kenyans saying, we want our country back. Therefore, that inspiration continues even in Uganda, even everywhere in Tanzania. And the leadership of East Africa should not take offense. If anything, they should take the cue. Some of us believe intensely in the need to integrate East African region. I was there with the Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete and others, working with Uganda, working to reinvent East African community, which we did. And therefore, when we sing our East African national anthem, amazing, sweet song, we have to live that spirit. But before we do so, each of our member countries must liberate themselves. We want to give you assurance that as national, People's Liberation Party. Do you know the Kiswahili version, mother, is ukombozi. Ukombozi umefika. It is not going to be easy. For a start, Gen Z, please vet every applicant who wants to be a commissioner for IEBC, the newly to be reconstituted IEBC. Because already those in authority up there give some unilateral budget, 61 billion. Wamezitoa wapi hizo? Vijana lazima tuangazie mambo haya, tuulize, where are you getting, by the way, under whose authority are you making this announcement? There's something there. We have to make sure the new IEBC will be above board, because that will be the team to lead ukombozi wa kidemokrasia. While we believe as our new movement, well, Kasongo wants to revert the country to single party. We are saying the fidelity of multi-party democracy and our Constitution 2010. Therefore, you can see the numbers are going to grow. And we are going to make every Kenyan feel liberated, every Kenyan feel empowered. Our young people certainly taking leadership, and Sisi being there to mentor them. I felt I needed to say that. And mother, congratulations, my twin political sister. She is fearless. And thank you for standing so strong. And we will continue to walk this journey with you. We shall be selfless as usual. We will move. And now, the new brother in the kid in the block, Wamunyoro. I also come from Sekuru, Ntawalika huko. Sekuru huko, watu wa Mrima. I think everybody now can feel. And any member of parliament who has been state captured, including our judiciary, and we are saying no. Thank you, Rigiji, for standing so strong on the need to have an independent judiciary. Mungu abariki, long live NAK Kenya, now People's Liberation Party. Unite, unite.
Sana, my twin brother. And now, before I make my speech, let me invite another brother of mine